Hi everyone, today we will discuss about filter transformation in Informatica. If you want filter the data, we have filter transformation in Informatica. By applying filter conditions in filter transformation, we can restrict the data. So suppose in HR schema we have table, employees table, right? Here if you want only who is getting salary more than 4,000 or like more than 10,000. See, for that what we will write, select staff from employees where salary less than or equal to 10,000. See, we will execute this query. See what we are getting here, whose salary is less than or equal to 10,000. We are getting the data, right? Like that we can apply conditions using where class in database in SQL, right? Same thing we can do in Informatica. We'll see how it will happen. See, for that we have source table already. I have already imported source table and we require target table, so I am clearing this and I will take new target table. Okay, target table underscore EMB underscore salary 10,000. like we have to give some meaningful names. 10,000 salary 10k, who is getting salary 10k up to 10k. Okay, and for we have to execute this table in the database. Click targets, click generate and execute. I'll remove these things. Generate and execute. My target table is pointing this database. I'm giving credentials for that. Target close. Then save this into repository. Click on mapping designer, create new mapping, m underscore tb underscore emb underscore sal 10k. Okay, drag the required source and drag the required target table. Here we should not give direct links to here because we are discussing about filter transformation, right? So we need to give filter transformation here. We have filter transformation. We can take that filter transformation from here. This is called, these all our transformations are available in Informatica. This is filter transformation here, or else you can click on transformations, click on create. Here we can search for filter. Like here we can search for filter and give the name. Here we need to give a proper name. For filter transformation we have to put like fil fill salary 10k, like meaningful name. Okay, done. Okay, now drag the required columns from source qualifier and drop it in filter transformation and double click on filter transformation. Here go to properties. Here filter condition is by default, filter condition is true. It means whatever the records coming from the source, everything will be loaded into target table. True means everything will be loaded into target table. If you put filter condition here, false, then nothing will be loaded into target table. So true means everything, whatever the data is coming from source will load it into the target table. If you put filter condition is false, nothing will be loaded into target table. So here what I required whose salary is getting whose salary is 10,000, or who is getting up to 10,000 salaries. So I need 10,000 salaries. So for that, give filter condition as salary, who is getting salary less than or equal to 10,000. It means we are getting up to 10,000. I'll get the data, right? Okay, validate it. Yes, successful, right? Okay, apply. Okay, and now table structure is same, right? You can auto link from here, auto link target table. Okay, save the mapping. Mapping is valid. Okay, so now we have created mapping for this, and now we need to create session. Click on workflow manager, click on task developer, need to clear, we have to clear all. Click on task, create task, session s_m_tv_emp_, salary 10k. We need to select the required mapping. Okay, done. Double click on session, click on mappings, select the relational connections for the source and the target. My source relation connection is source as it is, and my target relational connection is target. Okay, and here we need to select the normal mode. We will discuss this thing in advanced session, and apply. Okay, click on workflows, click on create workflow, wf_s_m_tv_emp_10k. Now drag the required session for this workflow and link it up, save the repository. Now start the workflow. Success. Get run property, click on get run properties. See here, number of records from the source is 107, but number of records loaded into target table is 92, because remaining all are rejected, right? Whatever the condition we have given in the filter transformation, that condition whatever the records has satisfied that condition has been loaded into this table. So now click, just see the tables. See here, 107 records read from the source and 92 records are loaded into target table. Now we'll check in the database. This is my target and tables, refresh it. Okay, this is my data here, data. See who are getting up to 10,000 salaries. I got the records. So this is what filter transformation. What is filter transformation? Filter transformation, active transformation. By using filter transformation, we can filter or restrict the data based on filter condition. Whatever the records satisfy the filter condition will be loaded into target table. The records which are not met with the filter condition are dropped. Why filter is basically in Informatica we have two types of transformations. One is active transformation, another one is passive transformation. Active transformation means number of records read from the source will not be equal to number of records loaded into target table. It means if I am getting 10 records from the source, same 10 records loaded into target table by using any transformation, that kind of transformation is called passive transformation, because nothing will be changed from source to target. If there is any change, number of records read from the source and will not be equal to number of records loaded into target table, this kind of transformations will call active transformation. Here what this filter transformation is doing, number of records coming from the source is 107, but target table loaded only 93 records, remaining records are dropped. So it is, there is a change in source count, right? So filter is active transformation. And similarly we have another transformation same as filter transformation, that is router transformation. Here router transformation, or else you can take it from here also, router. What router will do, it will same as filter transformation only, but in router transformation we can give multiple filter conditions. Based on filter condition we can load the data into target tables. Whatever the records which are coming from the source is the records which are coming from the source, if the filter condition is satisfied, then the records will be loaded into target table. The records which are not coming from the source is not satisfied the filter condition, or loaded into default group. Here in filter transformation, the records which are not met with the filter condition are dropping, right? It is not going into target table. The records which are not met with the filter condition are dropping here. But in router transformation, the records which are not met with the filter condition will be loaded into default group. We'll see how router transformation will work. We'll take I'll take three examples. I'll take two examples for that. Suppose I required EMP underscore who is getting salary 5,000. Is getting salary 5,000 up to 5,000. Take this up to 5,000, and I required another condition is EMP underscore salary greater than 10k. Okay, greater than 11k. Whatever condition you can, whatever you want you can give. Another condition, rejection. What is happening here? The records which whoever getting salary up to 5,000, I want to load into this table. Whoever getting salary more than 11,000, I will load into this table. Apart from these two conditions, whatever the records are remaining records I want to load into this table. For this I'll create mapping. So select all these tables, select all the tables, target, generate and execute. So now these three records table structures are available in database now, right? Okay, so now click on mappings, create mapping, m underscore emp and m underscore tb underscore emp underscore route. Give some meaningful name. Drag the required source table and drag the required target tables. And now which transformation we required? Router transformation. Click on router transformation, double click on it, rename, RTR router transformation, RTR underscore filter. In router transformation we will give filter conditions in groups. In filter transformation we will give filter condition is normal mode, but in router transformation we have to give filter conditions in groups only. When we click add a new group, by default we will get this default group. See, if you remove this it will gone. If you add a new group, by default group also comes. Here I require two conditions, right? For that I will add another group also. Here what I am giving, salary 5k. Here condition is we are getting salary less than or equal to less than 5,000, sorry, greater than 5,000, sorry, less than 5,000. And here I'll give filter condition as salary greater than 11,000. Once again, here we require, yes, okay, success, okay. And see here what happens, salary 11k. The records which are less than 5,000 will be loaded here. The records greater than 11,000 will be loaded here. The records which not met with these two conditions will be loaded here. See, the path for the data when none of the group's conditions are satisfied will be loaded in default group. Click apply. Okay. Okay, sorry, I did not drag all the ports, but wait, I'll drop. Actually, one column only I dragged here. Wait, let me drag all the columns. Let me drag and drop all the columns. Let me drag the first all the columns here. Now I need to create groups, two groups. One is for salary 5k, so who is getting salary less than 5k, approach salary less than 5k, successful. Okay, and here I'll give filter condition as who is getting salary greater than 11,000. Apply. Okay, and see, this is input group, this is condition, whatever we have given two conditions, right? These are two conditional groups, and this is default group. The router transformation is an active transformation. We can give n number of filter conditions in router transformation. The records which are met with the filter condition are loaded into target table. The records which are not met with the filter conditions are loaded into default group. So I'll link the column 5,000 salary, 5,000, drag and drop here. Is getting salary 11,000, greater than 11,000. I'll drop it here. remaining rejection data I'll load into this table. Need to drag it properly because no. Okay, save the mapping. Okay. Normally, if you want to load these 3 tables by using filter transformation, we require 3 filter transformations here. We have to put here and here and here. But by using router transformation, we are using only single router transformation, and we are routing the data into multiple target tables. And now create session for this. s_m_tb_route. Select required mapping for this session. Done. Double click on session. Mappings. Source relation connection is source, and target relation connection is target. Okay. Put in normal mode. Target load type, and second target is pointing this database only, and select normal. Okay, apply. Okay, save the session. Now create workflow.